Hello viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in my previous video we would have converted the Excel document to an XPS, but when we open this we have given default as a WordPad, but still you can see it is not in the readable format, right? So how to manage this, how to make this as a readable format? So for this, guys, you have to do few changes. This is Windows 11. So in this video we'll see how to view XPS document. Without any further ado, let us start the video. So guys, you have to open settings, click on settings app. Once settings app is open, click on apps here. In the app section, we'll find different features, apps and feature, default apps, offline apps, etc. Click on optional features. When you click on optional feature, you'll get this optional feature, add an optional feature. Click on view features. In this, you type XPS, right? Here you can get XPS Viewer. Click on this. Now click on next. So when you click on next, it will ask you to install. Just install it. So now it will install XPS Viewer for Windows 11. So now you can see it got installed. So once it is installed, it will show up in the installed features, but we'll see here. So now you can open the XPS document. You can click on open with. Here you can see XPS Viewer. Click on XPS Viewer. So XPS Viewer, click on OK. So now you can see the XPS document. See? This is the same thing which we have converted. So that's it for the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.